How you guys doing? This is Martin Mace with Rate 1 Financial. Welcome back to another episode of Mortgage Mind. Today's Mortgage Mind episode is entitled No Fee Loans. Okay, everybody's that has a loan on a house is always looking to save money on it, right? And you usually do that through what we call refinancing. Refinancing is when you get a new loan to pay off your old loan. And that usually makes sense if the interest rate you can get now is lower than the current interest rate on your loan, because getting a lower interest rate means lowering your payment and saving money over the life of the loan interest-wise. So that's why refinancing usually makes sense. Now, if you are at a high rate right now, let's say anything above 4.5, 4.75, let's say, there's a good chance that you could probably refinance that loan into a lower interest rate. And you can even do it without closing costs. I mean, generally when you refinance, you have to pay some costs. You got to pay escrow fees, title fees, maybe an appraisal fee, lender fee, all that stuff. It could be thousands of dollars. But now that the rates have gone down, you can actually do a refinance to lower your rate, lower your payment, and actually do it in a way where the lender covers all those costs. So it's basically a no-fee loan to you. Now, it is true that you can get a slightly lower interest rate if you agree to pay some closing costs, like those things I mentioned, escrow, title, appraisal, lender. But if you're okay with the slightly higher interest rate, you might be able to do that loan with no fees. And you can even do it in a way where you're not going back in time. In other words, if your current loan is a 30-year loan and you're 4 years into it, you've got 26 years left to pay off your house. You can make the new loan a 26-year loan so that you're not moving back in time. You're still on track to pay your house off in 26 years, and you're lowering your rate, lowering your payment, and doing it for basically no fees. Anyway, that's a no-fee loan, and it's happening a lot right now. Okay, have a good one. We'll see you at next episode of Mortgage Mind. And if you like what we're doing, please like and share these videos with your friends and family. Have a good one.